Good Tuesday morning. Thanks for checking in. Happy Veterans Day. Real quick video. I'm going to go into more detail today on a lot of this stuff, but this is just a very brief overview of everything I've been talking about and what I think is going to happen moving into next week. Now, it's no secret. These are 2 meter temperature anomalies. So it's a temperature, how much it is below average in Celsius. So it's pretty damn cold out there. And I want to show you the cold air working its way over by the end of the week. So we're at Thursday here. And by the time we get to Friday, that cold air works its way in. So that's when the chill starts to come in. And then moving into next week, you can see the cold air pretty much stays locked in for the whole eastern third of the country. This pattern's not going anywhere. Once it locks in, it should be in through Thanksgiving. So it's going to be colder than normal. What's that mean? A lot of temperatures in the 40s, basically. You can even see it here. I actually, if you look, it's cut off here, but this is by the time we get to the end of the week, these are high temperatures on the top. So you can see 41, 42, 40, 41, 44, 46. Now out here is ridiculously cold, but this is not an ensemble, this is an operational model, so we'll hold off on that. But the theme is it's going to get cold. Now let's focus on snow threats. Now the first threat of snow showers or flurries or our first flakes of the season, mostly for this area in here, because that's where most of my viewers are, I still believe is on late Friday night, late Thursday night into Friday. Let me show you here the GFS model. It's actually the updated GFS model, which is going to be fully operational in December. Again, it's keeping this offshore, so it doesn't really give us anything. I still think, I'm going to hold on to my view, that a little bit of precipitation gets worked back into New Jersey. I don't think we're seeing an accumulation or anything, but I think a few flakes might be flying in the air. And the Canadian model seems to think that, so the Canadian model is more in line with what I'm thinking. It has northwestern counties getting some snowflakes on late Friday night. Now let's focus on what's going to happen early next week, because that's where you're going to hear a lot of hype about, and okay, big storm's coming. Now, there is a storm coming. The question is, who's going to get rain, who's going to get snow? Right now, as you can see, this is a projection of snow. This is just one model. Okay, I'm showing this is the most aggressive model. This is the GFS new model. It's showing that a snowstorm all for the interior and also northwestern Jersey. You can see that on a Monday morning through Monday night. Okay, this scenario would give this area here, say around 6 inches of snow northwestern up into the New York State. Now, you can't buy this yet because there's a lot going on. And tonight, I'll break down a few concerns I have about this system. And mainly, we don't really, this is a pressure map. We don't have a high pressure center here. So what that means is low pressure spins counterclockwise. So the flow is going to be like this, which means there's going to be a little bit more of a southwesterly component at times in this storm, which could mean it cuts down on any frozen precipitation anywhere, say from extreme northwestern Jersey through Connecticut, eastern Massachusetts downward, and the snow ends up just being in the upwards in New York State. In addition to that, we also have to be concerned that this cold air is too strong and suppresses the storm. So I'm going to talk more about that tonight. Just know now that our first flakes of season, I think, are going to come on Friday night, no accumulation, and then we have to watch for a bigger significant system early next week, which I'll really hone in on that as the week progresses, and then the cold locks in for Thanksgiving.